Yo, what's up? What it is, what it ain't, what it could be. You now tapped in to Curry with it TV. Yo, so what we bringing today is 1987 Elko. Y'all seen this car sitting back there behind the ASAP garage, you know what I'm saying, tucked away up under some trees. So we got a bunch of sap and little random bullshit on it, coming through, cleaning it up. This is the customer's car, hoping to get this customer their car sometime this week, you feel me? Of course, it was a color swap. The car wasn't originally gold from factory. He wanted to go 87 Monte Carlo. So this is a true GM color. We just washing it off today, getting all the sap and stuff gone, so we can get back on it. You feel me? Sometimes we gotta put projects to the side once funds don't be what it be. You know what I'm saying? But that's the conversation for another day. We here right now today, and we hoping to get this thing up, going, and gone. You feel me? Paint it. Got to put the front clip back on along with bumpers. We painting it bumper to bumper, so the whole bumper, front clip, grill, everything from bumper to bumper will be one solid color. Y'all can see the magnificentness of what's going on here. You feel me? Audaciest is the painter of this vehicle. Oh, that's my woe. That's not your woe. Don't say what's up, woe. That's my woe. I say what's up, woe. All right. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate y'all for watching. Yeah, we're gonna bring y'all. Oh wow, look, almost got that wet. Ladybugger. It's a ladybugger. If you don't know now, you know. Ladybugs are good luck. Don't shoo them away like flies. Don't do nothing, to discredit your good luck. You feel me? When animals in nature come to you in forms and fashion of flying animals, bugs, dogs, or anything like that, you gotta treat them as spirit creatures. They are there to give you some type of hope for good luck. It's not all the time you're gonna just randomly see a ladybug touching stuff that you're touching. So I consider it to be good luck. I consider it to be the universe talking to me, telling me something that I need to know. So I pays attention. So, yep, back to the car, washing the inner fender wells out. We even took the fender wells out because we did, we took the car off the frame and replaced bushings. We sprayed the frame itself, and yeah, we did a whole undercarriage. Put the rhino liner in the back of there, made it look real good. This is what it looks like. That's what the frame looks like right now. You can't tell, but it's black. Some of the primer got on it, just like you can see some of the primer got on the tires and stuff. But yeah, we here today trying to get this car out of. Sorry, got some water on my camera. We here today trying to get the Elko out, and yeah, we're gonna finish up this project, get it to the customer, and see if they fall in love with it as much as we fell in love with it. You with me? Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna get back to this, and y'all just stay tuned, all right?